Having trouble authorizing payments on your Tesco Bank app? You're not alone. Common issues arise with strong customer authentication methods like push notifications, biometrics, and SMS OTP. As of October 2025, these can usually be fixed. First, ensure your app is up to date to version 10.2.1 or later, and your device meets the minimum requirements of iOS 15 or Android 12. Then, try these quick fixes. Restart the app in your device, check your internet connection, and enable notifications for the Tesco Bank app. If using biometrics, verify that fingerprint or facial recognition is properly set up in your phone's settings. For SMS OTP, check your spam folder for the one-time password code. If these steps don't work, proceed to the next section for more in-depth solutions. If basic steps didn't resolve your Tesco Bank app authorization issues, let's explore advanced solutions and deepen our understanding of strong customer authentication. SCA, or Strong Customer Authentication, requires 2 out of 3 authentication factors: something you know, like a password or PIN, something you have, such as your phone or a hardware key, and something you are, referring to biometrics like fingerprints or facial recognition. For push notification issues, ensure your VPN isn't blocking the secure connections. Also, clear the app's cache, which can resolve delivery problems and improve reliability. With biometrics, make sure you've granted the Tesco Bank app permissions to access your camera and microphone. Also, double-check that biometric features are properly enrolled in your device settings. SMS OTP issues could stem from SIM swaps, where someone gains access to your number, or carrier filters that block messages. Contact Tesco Bank directly to verify your phone number's security and resolve any potential compromises. Remember, PSD2 regulations mandate SCA for transactions over €30 to prevent fraud. As SMS OTP is increasingly vulnerable to attacks like SIM swapping, consider prioritizing more secure methods like biometrics or push notifications. By the end of 2027, SMS OTP will be phased out completely, so plan ahead. If authorization problems persist despite these advanced solutions, contact Tesco Bank directly. Call their customer service or visit their website to report the issue, allowing their team to help diagnose and resolve the problem for you.